So what can you do with LinkedIn? You'll want to understand that before you jump onto the network and start using it the same way you might use Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, or Quora. The components are the same. You can like, share, and comment in and around a newsfeed. But the focus is different, and if you know how to leverage the tools that it has, you can get the results you're seeking for your business or organization. You can choose the results you want to get from them. But you do need to know where those tools are and how to get them working together in LinkedIn, if you can. Well, once again, we have you covered with a step-by-step, over-the-shoulder video course teaching the basics of setting up your own LinkedIn marketing system. And in about the same time it takes to watch your favorite TV show, we'll have you ready to add in the exact technical processes to incorporate LinkedIn into your business. And we'll do it without wasting a lot of time with extra things to do. Things that'll keep you from the most important tasks that you already have. And in this course, we focused exactly on what you need to implement now. Everything you need to know in order to incorporate LinkedIn into your existing business without any unnecessary fluff. And getting started is simple. Just click the buy button below, and in just about an hour from now, you'll be making the most of the LinkedIn setup process. So click the buy button below and get started today. Thank you for watching.